latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
As several states across North India are reeling under the impact of locust attack, Bihar government has issued high alert in the districts ahead of the locust attack. Following the locust attack in the State Agricultural Department issued 3-page advisory to the farmers in 38 districts of the state. The State Agricultural Department instructs the farmers to use traditional methods such as beating the drums, utensils, and crowd voicing to beat locust invasion. The operation to control the locust attack should be carried out on war footing. Farmers can take the help of agricultural universities, scientific centers to control the locust attack. The impact of locust should be informed to all the officers of agricultural department, including at the panchayat level. Necessary precautions should be taken in the districts where locust attack is imminent. Chemicals, sprays and tractors should be made available at the earliest. All the officers should be trained to control the attack through awareness program and mock drills. According to the Agricultural Department, there is a strong chance of locust invasion on crops in the state. The state government has decided to spray chemicals on all the trees from midnight till the wee hours of morning as locusts reside on the trees after sunset. The state government is keeping tab on methods implemented by various states to tackle locust invasion. As per the estimation by the Agricultural Department, several crops and fruits worth 100 crore rupees would be damaged upon the locust invasion. According to agricultural officers, standing crops such as maize, lychee, mango and vegetables will be worst affected due to the locust invasion. Earlier, Bihar Agricultural Government chaired the meeting with the officials to discuss the threat of locust invasion in the state. Besides the State Agricultural Minister, Union Agricultural Secretary Sanjay Agarwal held a meeting with officials from Civil Aviation Ministry, NDMA and Pawan Hans regarding the usage of aerial spray to ward off locust attack with the help of helicopters, aircraft and drones. A desert locust has the capacity to consume around 2 grams of food every day. Experts indicate that the locust might enter the state through East Uttar Pradesh. Home Ministry writes a letter to all the chief secretaries of all states to streamline the interstate movement for the personnel engaged in locust control works.